If you're detained by ICE, you may be eligible for release on bond. And here's how you request a bond hearing. Hi, I'm Jennifer, immigration lawyer based out of Boston. Let's get into it. If you're in immigration detention, you may be able to request a bond hearing to get released while your case is pending. Here's how the process works. Ask the immigration judge for a bond hearing. If one is not automatically scheduled, you or your attorney must formally request it. The judge will decide if you qualify for bond. The judge will consider facts like your immigration history, your ties to your community, and whether or not you pose a risk to public safety. You must prove that you are not a flight risk or a danger to the community. Having strong evidence, such as letters of support, proof of employment, or family ties, can help. If granted, you must pay the bond amount set by the judge. Once bond is paid, you will be released from detention while your case continues. Having an experienced immigration lawyer can increase your chances of getting bond and preparing the right evidence for your hearing. Make sure you follow and stay informed.